Your business probably doesn't need just one pipeline, and good news is that you can have several in HubSpot. You can also customize the deal stages of each pipeline, and I'm going to show you how. Welcome to HubSpot Tips and Tricks. I'm Jasna from Actuado, and today I'll explain the pipelines in HubSpot and how you can add different deal stages that follow your sales process. Depending on which HubSpot sales plan you're on, you can create 2 or more pipelines. Say you have a B2B and a B2C business, so you sell both directly to businesses and to end customers. The sales process can vary a lot, so it makes sense to have 2 different pipelines. Each pipeline has different deal stages. There are 7 default deal stages already in HubSpot. You edit the pipelines by clicking on Edit Pipelines, and then you can rename them to suit your business. You can also reorder them, manage their access, and delete them. Let's look at the deal stages. We have appointment scheduled with probability 20%, qualified to buy 40%, presentation scheduled 60%, decision maker bought in 80%, contract sent 90%, closed won 100% won, closed lost 0% lost. As you can see, each deal stage has an associated probability that indicates the likelihood of closing deals marked with that deal stage. These numbers will be relevant for the expected revenue of the pipeline, and you can change them here. You can also rename deal stages, delete some, and add some. You can also reorder them. If you want to customize the deal properties presented to your sales team when a deal moves to a specific stage, you can edit properties and select the checkboxes next to the properties you want to appear. You can also make it mandatory for your team to enter a value for a certain property, say the amount or close date. Do you have any questions? Let me know in the comments or send an email to hubspot@actuado.com. Like, subscribe, and share our videos.